Hi everyone, it is Jan here from Yancy Art. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special day. It's a collaboration for a Pride Month collaboration, and it's actually not only today. It started yesterday with 6 artists. Today we are 7 artists, and again tomorrow there'll be another 7 artists. We decided to split it up into 3 days because having 20 artists in one day was just gonna take up too much of your time. So hope that you will, if you haven't already watched the one from yesterday, go watch that. The playlist is in my description. There's also the playlist for today's, and there'll also be a playlist for tomorrow. So yeah, please do check out all of them. I really hope that you will. So Pride Month is a cause very close to my heart. Obviously, I am in the LGBTQ community myself, being a big G. I know that might come as a surprise to some of you. Not really, but I have picked the regular pride colors in my pour, and I'll be showing this, how I did this. Unfortunately, it doesn't show as well on the camera, and also it dried a little duller than I had hoped. Back to the pride. I personally have a lot to be proud of. I think I am proud that I'm from a country where we've actually been able to marry since 1989. It was not called marriage back then. It was called a registered partnership, but the only difference between a gay marriage and a straight marriage was that the gays were not allowed to adopt, and that took a long time. I myself got married to Chad, my husband, in 1999. So in only about half a year's time, we will actually celebrate 25 years of marriage. So that's something to be proud of, I think. Apart from that, I just want to thank Nate for co-hosting with me on this collaboration. It's been incredible to be working together with all these other artists, and I really do hope that you stick around for all of them, and that that you will go back and watch, as I said, and we'll be watching tomorrow as well. And with that, I wish you a happy Pride Month, and you all take care. Go out and spread some unity and solidarity and love, because love is love. Take care. Bye. And we're down on the canvas. We are working on a 40 by 50 centimeter canvas. Just a basic, so not a deep edge. It is gallery wrapped. It's taped on the back. Push pins in, and I will walk through the colors now, but I will not be talking about the colors. I want to get back to talking a little more about the importance of why we're having this collaboration, why it's still important to have Pride Month. And I had written a whole statement that I was gonna read out here, but I decided that I'm not going to, because I don't like it when it just sounds like I'm reading, and it will. But I'll just pick one paragraph from here. It's not that long. I will put it in the description, and I do urge you to go read it. It's touching on why the importance of having the Pride Month. It's touching on the collaboration, how it's great that we can all come together and collaborate on this in celebration of Pride Month. But here comes the paragraph. Pride Month holds profound significance as it reminds us of the strides we have made in the fight for LGBTQ rights, while acknowledging the ongoing struggles we face. This is particularly important for our trans and drag queen communities, who are currently enduring attacks and opposition from right-wing sources. As I said in the intro, this is not only in the States that this is going on, it is happening right in our backyard here as well. I have it very close to myself, have had discussions with family members who think that drag queens should not have story hours, for instance. So yeah, it is spreading, unfortunately. And did you know, for instance, that in Uganda, only earlier this month, the president of Uganda signed into law one of the worst anti-LGBTQ laws in the world after resounding approval from members of the parliament. Now, in Uganda, anyone convicted of participating in sexual acts between consenting same-sex adults will face life in prison. And anyone charged with aggravated homosexuality, basically being gay, will face the death penalty. I can't even describe how angry this makes me. This is 2023, and we still have people, countries, governments who are so set on attacking the LGBTQ plus communities that I'm at a loss for words, really. I'm getting really worked up, and it's just heartbreaking, and it's incredible, unfathomable to realize that in 2023 this is something that we still have to discuss, that we are just regular, normal people, and love is love. Basically, that's it. It's as simple as that. So thank you to all the artists that decided to join for this collaboration. Thank you so much for being here. It is so important. I also want to mention that we actually have people from this collaboration who already have posted other pours in celebration of Pride Month, and they've actually had some very negative feedback in their comments from people who are just done with Pride, don't want to hear about it, and you should have kept Pride out of this, and because it bothers you so much that we're talking about Pride Month. These people are the exact reason why it's still important to have these Pride Months and to have these discussions. So thank you to everyone for coming together in unity, solidarity, sticking out for the LGBTQ community, and I love you all. And I will stop my little dark rant here and just go back to the painting. I hope that you enjoy the painting. I will come back at the end and just do a quick flyover. In the meantime, I'll be playing some funky music, I think, and I hope that you enjoy that, and I'll talk to you in, I think, approximately 10 minutes. Okay.
Thinking about what we've been through,
And here's the quick flyover. It came out really beautiful. As I showed you on the dried result, unfortunately some of the colors faded a little too much, but I'm hoping that the varnish will help bring out some of the colors, but I will definitely try to do this again without the gold, and yeah, hopefully being able to bring out a lot more of the darker colors. With this said, I hope that you enjoyed this. Please head on over to Taniva, my wonderful friend Taniva. Her channel, she is on next, and stick around for the rest of the artists here. Here are some wet and dried, well, now it's the dried results. Hope you enjoy. Bye.